one process to the response to the end user. How it is considered means based on the way of order configured in the settings. So in the settings, the first time giving 1 and 2, then this is the process. In the settings, the first time given 2 and 1. No. First request goes to the 2, 1, response first coming to the 1, then 2 and to the end user. So based on the settings, it will be decided. So configuration of multiple middleware classes. Same last example, I have to take the multiple middlewares, two middlewares, okay? We can configure any number of middlewares and all these middlewares will be executed according to the order declared inside settings.py file. So చూడండి ఫస్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఉంది కదా, దానిలో ఐ కెన్ డిఫైన్ మిడిల్వేర్, మళ్ళీ క్రియేషన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్, క్రియేషన్ ఆఫ్ అప్లికేషన్, వ్యూస్, యూఆర్ఎల్స్. ఏమున్నాయి మన దగ్గర? మిడిల్వేర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ 1లో టెస్ట్ యాప్ ఇక్కడే I will define for this one, okay? So first project lo view is there. This line added by the view function. This is from view function. The project middleware project 1. Run this cd cd Django cd middleware project 1 py manage.py. Run the server. Server is started. Go to the settings. Middleware lo it is there. Remove this. Save. No middleware, nothing. Direct it is going to the view function. I'm getting the response. Hello. This is from view function. In the console only one is there, that is this line added by view function, no middlewares. ఇప్పుడు first I can implemented one middleware. First middleware class I want to implemented. Already middleware we created. ఇది middleware class. Init not required. Self.getResponse equal to get_response. Call. The class name is first middleware. ఇక్కడ write the print statements. Print this line printed by middleware 1 before pre-processing the request. Ante first request will goes to first middleware. This line printed by middleware 1 before pre-processing. How to get that? response equal to self dot get underscore response of request. Next, response will be given by first middleware. Return the response. So this is the class name. Copy this, go to settings, package name, file name, class name. Only one middleware is there. First request will goes to the this one pre-processing, the line printed by view function post-processing, because only one middleware is there. Send the request. Request forwarded. Now come here. Idigondi. This line printed by middleware one before pre-processing. After that view function. Next post-processing will be done. Before kada, after. After processing the request. Refresh. Idigondi. Refresh this. See the console. Pre-process this one. Now I want to define second middleware. ఇంకో క్లాస్ ఉంది. Any number of middles you can define. Second middleware to nothing. Configure this one to settings. Test app, middleware, second. So first middleware 1, 2, return lo first middleware 2, తర్వాత 1 and process will be done. ఇదిగోండి. ఫస్ట్ రిక్వెస్ట్ మిడిల్వేర్ 1 బిఫోర్ ప్రీ ప్రాసెసింగ్, తర్వాత 2 వ్యూ ఫంక్షన్. రిటర్న్లో ఫస్ట్ విచ్ వన్ మిడిల్వేర్ 2, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ middleware 1 request to that. If you change order will be changes. Save, send the request. See the output. This time changes. First middleware 2, తర్వాత 1, రిటర్న్ ప్రాసెస్లో ఫస్ట్ మిడిల్వేర్ 1, తర్వాత 2. దస్ ఈస్ ద వే ఆఫ్ అదే చెప్పింది ఆర్డర్ డిక్లేర్డ్ ఇన్ సెట్టింగ్స్ డాట్ పీవై. బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్. That is the middleware concept. Finally, last topic is there. Advanced models concept. ఇంకా Django completed. మనకి ఏమి రాదు. ఏం పర్లా, మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాచ్ ఉందిగా, మళ్ళీ వచ్చాడు కానీ. Next concept is కబుర్లు చెప్పు. అయిందా కంప్లీటెడ్? Last topic is working with advanced model concepts. 14th one, deployment. In that, no coding, nothing, no programming. How to deploy the project. Coding one class is enough. How to deploy one project ni git to GitHub look how to upload, I will tell. Then Django completed these 2-3 days. Monday we will start REST API. Tomorrow holiday. Well, full enjoy. REST API same time, same link only. Maximum 10 to 15 classes I will finish REST API. So actually REST API small concept is there, but 15 days lo maximum I will try to finish. So next one, advanced model concept means here we need to talk about the models. We know already inheritance concept. Within the classes, I can provide inheritance. Class A, parenthesis B. And template inheritances we discussed. Same. Two models I can provide inheritance. One model extended to another model. Because in Python, model is also called as a one class, employee, student, like classes. So there are totally 5 types are there. 5 types of Model inheritances in Django. 5 types are there. First one is abstract, base, class, model inheritance. Second one, multi-table. Third one, ఈ టూలోని ఇంటర్నల్గా థర్డ్ వన్ ఈజ్ మల్టీ లెవెల్. జస్ట్ ఇన్ పైథాన్ హౌ సేమ్ మల్టీ లెవెల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మల్టీ లెవెల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్? ఏకి చైల్డ్ బి, బికి చైల్డ్ సి, లెవెల్ బై లెవెల్ సేమ్. ఫోర్త్, మల్టిపుల్, సింగిల్ టూ పేరెంట్స్ సింగిల్ చిల్డ్రన్. ఫిఫ్త్ వన్, ప్రాక్సీ. You know very well about this word. What is the meaning of proxy? Hmm? The lockdown, everyone get the job because of what is the proxy? లాక్డౌన్లో అందరూ ఉద్యోగాలు వచ్చినాయి. ఎలా వచ్చినాయి? Everyone get the job in lockdown. There is no direct interviews. All are telephonic interviews. All the things are there. So first one, abstract, base, class, model inheritance. So what is the abstract base class model inheritance means? For example, we know model classes. Okay, see this example. I will create project all the things. Just your idea purpose. Any one project go to models.py. And here we have to create the models, employee model or student model or something. Suppose I have to create one class student anukondi. Student. The parent class is models dot model. Student have the name models dot character field. Maximum length variable 30 characters. Student have email models dot email field. Student have the address models dot again character field maximum length. How much I can provide? 30. Student have roll number models dot integer field. Student have marks models dot integer field. ఇది ఒక క్లాస్. అప్ టు నో అసలు వీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్. అయితే ఐ హ్యావ్ వన్ మోర్ క్లాస్ ఈజ్ దేర్. దిస్ క్లాస్ ఈజ్ టీచర్ models dot model is the parent class. Sir, same teacher have the name, teacher have mail ID, teacher have address. ఈ మూడు కాలమ్స్ టీచర్ కూడా ఉంటాయి, నేము, మెయిల్ ఐడి, అడ్రస్. అలాంగ్ విత్ దిస్ టీచర్ హ్యావ్ వన్ మోర్ కాలమ్, ఎక్స్ట్రా కాలమ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ models dot character field. Instead I want to provide again maximum length of 30. Teacher have the salary models dot float field. ఇది వితౌట్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ 2 క్లాసెస్ టోటల్గా స్టూడెంట్ టేబుల్లో 5 కాలమ్స్ టీచర్ కాలంలో 5 కాలమ్స్ నో ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్. అలాగే ఇంకా 10 tables are there. Every 10 table, how many columns are there? 5, 5, 5, 50 are there every time. Rewriting, even these three, every time I'm rewriting. Instead of that, whatever common columns are there, cut this. Remove these common columns, remove this. Only mention two only. Take one separate class. Class, contact info is the class. Models dot model. Ikkada ఆ three you can mention. So what to do now? ఈ కాంటాక్ట్ ఇన్ఫోని డోంట్ గివ్ మోడల్స్ ఇన్హెరిటెడ్ అంటే వన్ మోడల్ క్లాస్ ఐఎమ్ ఇన్హెరిటెడ్ హియర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ మోడల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్. Generally, those are classes only, Python classes only. But in Django, this class is converted to one table. In go to backend, backend tables will be created. Contact, student, teacher. Contact is the parent for student, parent for teacher. Next, any classes are there. Only two lines of code is there. Such a type of thing is called as model inheritance. What is abstract model inheritance? I will tell with example. Idi reducing the code readability will be more. Then we go with model inheritance. Abstract base class model. If several model classes having some common fields, if several model classes having some common fields, then not recommended to write these fields in every model class separately. Because it increases length of the code and reduces readability. Adi problem. We have to separate those common fields into a separate model class, which is nothing but base class. We have to separate those common fields into a separate model class, which is nothing but base class. If we extend base class, then automatically that common fields will be inherited to every child class. So generally, how normal inheritance same, we are applying between the models. So that is theoretical. Suppose don't write this one. Okay. Just your idea sake, I will give in the Google Classroom notes purpose. Don't write. While creating project, you will write it. Present not required as this class. First one. Without inheritance, అయితే this is the way. Class student and class teacher class. With inheritance, I have to take the two classes and this one. Contact info and I have to inherit the ఇది with inheritance, this is the code. ఎక్కడ ఇది మెయిన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ reducing the code. Without inheritance, that is the code. With inheritance, this is the code. So how to implement, my concept is this one ఇప్పుడు abstract base class. So create the project now story. ఇది అవసరం లేదు, not required. Okay. Now create one project. Project name is MI project. Model inheritance project 1. Inside create one application. Add application in settings.py. Inside models.py file is there. Okay, now this is the story. Now come to here. ఇక్కడ దీన్ని delete చేయండి, ఇది మన క్లాస్ కాదు ఇది. Cut this, save, close. Come to here, stop the server. Admin, start project MI project 1 model inheritance MI project 1 py manage.py start app test app. Okay, done. Come here, MI project created. Go to settings. Installed apps లో you can add app. అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు మనకు కావాల్సింది టెస్ట్ యాప్ మోడల్స్. మోడల్స్లో యూ కెన్ క్రియేట్ దిస్ వన్ క్లాస్ కాంటెంట్. అయితే ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ అడ్రస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ కాబట్టి క్లాస్ మెటా abstract equal to true. Then only because of we are implementing abstract base class model inheritance. That's why within this model class, the contact info will become as a abstract. So this model class you can implement it into your now. Now take this one. So ikkadi nunchi create the project, create the application, add application settings.py, models.py, that is the code. Sir, in models.py, how many classes are there? How many model classes? Three are there: contact info, student, teacher. If I'm doing make migration, migrate, how many tables will be created? Each model represented one table kada. So three will be created, but it is model abstract base but it will created only two classes will be created tables. ఇది 28 notes petla. Sir, if I am running this program, make migrations, make migrate, it is created tables in the SQLite 3. I'm not able to see that one. So I have to use MySQL database because I want to display the table names, student, teacher, contact info, those columns and everything. So how to configure with MySQL? I want to create tables into MySQL database. What is the configurations? First, we have to create one database in the MySQL. After that, settings, database settings, you can change it. Because I want to show the tables, that's why I'm using MySQL database. Okay, see this. First to go to MySQL because in MySQL we have to create our own database. Oracle aithe not required. Here username password is root. Show databases. There are so many databases are there. MI ఇదిగోండి చాలా ఉన్నాయి. maybe 7:30 p.m. 11, 7:15, 7 p.m. New MIDB. ఏదో దాన్ని డ్రాప్ చేద్దాం. డ్రాప్ database new MIDB. Gone. Okay, now for our project, create new model inheritance database 7:30 p.m. So in this database, it will be created one database name new MIDB 7:30 p.m. First connect that. Connect new MIDB 7:30 p.m. batch. Connected. Ask the tables. Sorry, boss. There is no tables. Just no table database created. Configure this one to the settings. Whatever settings, settings.py. What can I give? User instead of SQLite 3, MySQL, sir. Database name. In database name, new MIDB underscore 7:30 p.m. అంతే కదా. నెక్స్ట్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ యూజర్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద యూజర్? రూట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ password colon password also root only. Localhost port number. Localhost port number optional, not required. Chodo. So configuration done. Now how to do the make migrations and migrate. Py manage.py make migrations. ఇదిగోండి 3 classes are there, but how many models created? స్టూడెంట్ టు టీచర్. మరి వాట్ ఈస్ కాంటాక్ట్ ఇన్ఫో? లేదు కదా. Because of I am given classmate abstract equal to true. The meaning is for that parent class table not created. It is applicable for code level inheritance, not table level. See py manage.py migrate. Oh, ఏసానా? ఏమైంది? ఓకే ఓకే. ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చాను నేను? లేదా ఇక్కడుందా? Migrate. Tables created. Is it really created? Go to MySQL. ఇందాక show tables empty. Now show tables. ఇవన్నీ system related. But my table test app underscore student teacher. Where is contact info? Not created. It is not applicable for table level, only code level. You can ask describe test app underscore student. ఇదిగోండి. ID, name, email address, roll number, marks. But in your student class, how many fields are there? Only 2 are there. But how it is coming? Because of inheritance, it is coming. You can ask about the teacher. Columns created backend low. Name, email address, subject, and salary. You want to see in the admin panel. If I want to see the admin panel, you have to register. Go to admin. Here you have to register. What I have to register? Admin dot site dot register student ఇంకోటి teacher but these two are not available there. From test app dot models import student they are not less suggestion teacher. Now I register to the admin panel, create super user py manage.py leave blank mail id abc@gmail.com password started. Now ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది కదా. యా ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ హలో అడ్మిన్ లాగిన్. హౌ మెనీ టేబుల్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? ఓన్లీ 2, స్టూడెంట్ అండ్ టీచర్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అప్లికేబుల్ కోడ్ లెవెల్, నాట్ ద మోడల్ లెవెల్. ఓపెన్ స్టూడెంట్, యాడ్ స్టూడెంట్, ఆల్ ఫీల్డ్స్ ఆర్ కేమ్. ఇంకా డేటా ఆల్ ఆర్ కామన్. జస్ట్ హౌ ఇంప్లిమెంటింగ్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్. ఆల్ కాలమ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. కాంటాక్ట్ ఇన్ఫో నాట్ క్రియేటెడ్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ abstract. ట్రూ. ఇది తీసేస్తే then it is called as second level. Table also created. 3 tables are there. Then table level inheritance, code level. So here settings.py do the MySQL configuration. After that, register to the admin.py. New MIDB underscore 730. The problem. List underscore display I'm not taken. Just I want to display tables. And I'm not written all those things because I'm not adding data. I'm not displaying anything. That's why not required. Just I registered. ఏం సీరియస్ డిస్కషన్? ఎక్కడ లాస్ట్లో ఇద్దా ఇచ్చిన పర్లా ఇవ్వపోయినా పర్లా, నో ప్రాబ్లం. రావట్లేదా? నేను ఇచ్చానుగా. ఒరాకిల్ వాటిలోనా వస్తుంది. అసలు కామాకి దానికి సంబంధం ఉంది. వాళ్ళు అడ్మిన్లు ఉంటారు, వాళ్ళు చేయమని చేసిస్తారు. MySQL ఏముంది, ఒక EXE ఫైల్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని డబుల్ క్లిక్ కొడితే నెక్స్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్స్టాల్ అయ్యింది ఆటోమేటిక్గా. దానిలో ఉందా సాఫ్ట్వేర్? ఆటో ఐటీ ఎడిట్ ప్లస్ ఒరాకిల్ సూమ్ ఉంది. దీన్ని కాపీ చేసి పేస్ట్ చేసి డబుల్ క్లిక్ కొడితే అది ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకుంటుంది, ఏమి ఉండదు అందులో. దీన్ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేయండి, ఇది ఉంది కదా, ఇదిగో చెప్తానండు. గూగుల్కి వెళ్ళి దాన్ని సెర్చ్ చేయి, అది ఎక్కడుందో డౌన్లోడర్ దొరుకుతుంది. అన్నీ అయిపోయినాయా? ఇక్కడ నుంచి డౌన్లోడ్ చేయి. అన్నీ అవ్వలేదా? ఇంకా చూడదు, వదిలే. సరే నా నోట్ కాంటాక్ట్ ఇన్ఫో క్లాస్ ఈజ్ ఏ abstract class, hence table won't be created. This type of inheritance is applicable for code level but not at database level. It is only reducing the coding, not creating tables. Second, multi-table. Multi-table. Multi-table inheritance. This inheritance is applicable both code level as well as database also. Within the database also, 3 tables will be created. Such type of thing is called as multi-table. Both sides it is applicable, code and those. What to do means, same project, same. Take one more 3 classes, inka 3. Same. Okay. 3 classes inko 3 I can take in. First class name contact info 1. Remove this meta. Removed. Student 1 contact info 1. teacher 1, contact info 1. Save this. Ikkada base class is contact info. If I am not mention any class abstract, then this table is also now contact info 1, student 1, and teacher 1. All the three will be created there. Now come to here. Stop the server. Make migrations. ఇదిగోండి previous contact info not there. Now contact info 1, student 1, teacher 1. Migrate. All migrated. Run the server. Server is started. First go to MySQL. Here previously only 2 tables are there. Now show tables. Gondi. Contact info 1, student 1, teacher 1. Now describe student 1. How many columns are there this time? Only 2, roll number and marks. ఇదిగోండి కాంటాక్ట్ ఇన్ఫో 1 పాయింటర్ ఐడి ఫీల్డ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ టీచర్ 1. ఈ మెయిన్ ఫీల్డ్స్ ఆర్ ఫీల్డ్ కాంటాక్ట్ పాయింటర్ ఐడీస్. నౌ యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ కాంటాక్ట్ ఇన్ఫో 1. ఇక్కడ 3 columns are there. Name, email, address. So this table is pointing to this ID. Automatically these 3, these 2, 5. If I can ask student these 2, these 3. So table also created there. That is the multi-table. How to check admin panel? Register all these 3 into admin law. Student 1, teacher 1. What is the table? Contact info 1. మరి ఇంపోర్ట్ చేయాలి కదా. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ మేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఏ స్టార్. బస్ come here, go to the back, tables refresh, and all the tables are there. Teacher 1, student 1, contact info 1. Open this contact info. Here only 3 columns are there. Student 1, only 2 columns are there. 5 columns taken from there. Teacher 1, all the columns will be there. This is called as multi-table inheritance. If the base class is not abstract, then such a type of inheritance is called as multi-table inheritance. This type of inheritance applicable at code level and database level also. Inside the database, for both parent and child tables will be created. models.py. And previous code a copy paste, give contact info 1, student 1, teacher 1. Admin lo we didn't registered. In this case, all the three tables will be created and child table will maintain pointer to parent table to refer the common properties. That is the second one. Third one, మల్టీ-లెవెల్. ఈరోజు వెన్స్‌డేనా? అది జనాలు దీనంగా చూస్తున్నారు నా ఇంకా. ఈడెప్పుడు వదులుతాడో అక్కడ చికెన్ అయిపోద్దేమో అని. అది పరిస్థితి. మల్టీ-లెవెల్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్. Sir, multi-level means parent, child, and sub-child. That is called as multi-level inheritance. Is the last one, simple one. See, parent, child, and sub-child. Okay. Suppose go to the models. Class. Person is the class. Parent class is models dot model. Sir, every person having the name and every person having the age. Without name and age, no one is available. Maximum length is 30. Every person having the age. Models dot integer field. Done. Take another class. Employee. Employee also belongs to which one? Person. So person is the parent, employee is the child. Every person having the name and age common. Along with that, he is having two columns, employee number, models dot integer field. Along with this, employee have salary, models dot float field. Now, class manager. Manager ki who is the parent? Employee. Because every manager also belongs to employee only. So manager having name, manager having age, manager having employee number, he is having salary. Along with that, manager having experience, models dot integer field. Manager have team size, models dot integer field. So person lo 2, employee lo 4 columns, manager lo how many columns? 6 columns will be available because parent, those two also. Stop the server, make migrations, person, employee, manager, migrate, migration done. Run the server, server started. If you want to go to admin panel, person, employee, manager, go to here, show tables. ఇదిగోండి మేనేజర్, ఎంప్లాయీ అండ్ పర్సన్. డిస్క్రైబ్ టెస్ట్ యాప్ అండర్ స్కోర్ ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్, పర్సన్లో నేమ్ అండ్ ఏజ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఎంప్లాయీ, ఎంప్లాయీ హ్యావ్ పాయింటర్ టు విచ్ వన్? పర్సన్కి. నౌ మేనేజర్, మేనేజర్ పాయింటింగ్ టు ఎంప్లాయీ, ఎంప్లాయీ పాయింటింగ్ టు పర్సన్, పర్సన్ విల్ బి దేర్ మల్టీ లెవెల్. గో టు అడ్మిన్ ప్యానల్, హోమ్, సర్వర్ లేదా? The model contact info 1. అవును, అయితే ఏమైంది ఇప్పుడు? ఇదిగోండి, ఫస్ట్ person, only 2 columns available. If I go to the employee, how many columns are available? 4 are available. Parent 2, then 2. If I go to the manager, 6 are available. From the grandparent, parent name, age, number, salary. Is a multi-level inheritance. Inheritance at multiple levels. So 3 classes I provided: person, employee, and manager. Register these 3 into your admin ante bus. అదే మల్టీ లెవెల్. మల్టీ లెవెల్. So the 3 inheritances are there. Next one more is there. Multiple inheritance and proxy model inheritance. Next class we will tomorrow. Enjoy everyone. Yeah, class completed. Online students. Tomorrow holiday. Enjoy the Diwali. Friday we will continue. Bye everyone. Online students.